What if I say that you can access your flight data after your flight? Yes, this is possible with the data flash logs. There are two types of logs, telemetry logs and data flash logs. Telemetry logs are stored in your computer system or whether in your software, but the data flash logs are stored in your flight controller. For the example, here I am using PixSock flight controller. So the data flash logs of PixSock flight controllers are stored in SD card. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to extract the data flash logs and do the auto analysis of the data flash logs. So just pull out this SD card. This is the SD card that was in our flight controller. You can either use SD card adapter or you can use card reader to read this card and access this card through our desktop. So I am using the card reader. So here I am attaching my card reader to my laptop. After attaching the card reader, I am going to open the Mission Planner software. But before that, we need to get our files to the download section of our laptop. It's not mandatory actually, but if you want, you can do it. So I am doing it. All these bin files are our log files. So I am just copying this file and pasting in my download section. After that, I am going to open the Mission Planner software. This is our Mission Planner software. After opening the Mission Planner software, you can here go to the option of data flash logs and here convert bin to the log file. So I am just using this bin file and I am going to convert it into the log file. Now it is converted. If you want, you can create the KML plus GPX file. So just go to this option and go to the download section and you can convert this text document into KML plus GPX file. And for the auto analysis of the log file, go to the option of auto analysis and select your text document. So here this is 06 document which I had converted from bin file to the text document, and now I am going to do the auto analysis of this log file. So it is showing downloading log analyzer. So here are all our auto analysis parameters that are done by our Mission Planner software, and you can here analyze all your hardware or anything that is shown here. But if you want to do the manual analysis, that requires a lot of time and even a lot of hard work with a good knowledge. And here you can see the option of telemetry logs. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.